Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine's defense intelligence details Russia's new Geran for jet-powered strike drone and foreign components. The defense intelligence of Ukraine has published details of Russia's new jet-powered strike uncrewed aerial vehicle, the Geran 4. The material was released on the War and Sanctions portal and includes an interactive 3D model, component information and details of the drone's foreign component base. DIU Defense Intelligence of Ukraine said Russia has begun deploying the Geran 4 as a countermeasure to the effectiveness of Ukrainian interceptor drones. The agency said the system reflects a new stage in Russia's development of jet-powered strike UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles. Initial test launches were carried out from the Primorsk drone port in Russia's Oryol region and from the territory of the former Donetsk airport. DIU Defense Intelligence of Ukraine said those launches took place during final preparations for mass production, which were completed by January 2026. The agency said Russia began combat deployment of the Geran 4 in May 2026 to strike Ukrainian territory. The drone follows earlier Russian jet-powered UAV unmanned aerial vehicle designs, including the Geran 3. For previous jet-powered UAVs unmanned aerial vehicle, including the Geran 3, Russia used the airframe of the gasoline-powered Geran 2. DIU Defense Intelligence of Ukraine said that experience showed the structure was not strong enough for high-speed flight and was even less suitable for maneuvering under high G-loads. The Geran 4 uses a new airframe with improved aerodynamic efficiency and reinforced structural strength. The drone is also fitted with a turbojet engine with increased thrust. Its wings are permanently integrated into the center wing section. To reduce air resistance, the number of technological hatches on the fuselage has been minimized. DIU Defense Intelligence of Ukraine said two types of turbojet engines have been observed on Geran for drones. These are the discontinued Chinese Telefly LX WP 160 engine with 160 kg or 1,600 N of thrust, and the Chinese Telefly TJ2000A engine, with 200 kgf or 1960 N of thrust, previously seen on the Geran 5 UAV unmanned aerial vehicle. The new airframe allows the Geran 4 to maneuver actively at speeds of 300 to 400 km per hour. Its reinforced structure allows it to withstand significant G-loads. DIU Defense Intelligence of Ukraine said the drone can reach speeds of up to 500 km per hour and fly at altitudes of up to 5,000 meters. It can carry either a 50 kg OFZ-BCH, 50 TB-BCH, 50 m high-explosive fragmentation or thermobaric warhead, or an enlarged 90 kg TB-BCH, 90 thermobaric warhead. The agency said the Geran 4 has a range of up to 450 kilometers. Its dimensions remain unchanged from the standard format, with a length of 3.5 meters and a wingspan of 3 meters. The onboard control system and electronic component base are identical to those used in previous known UAVs unmanned aerial vehicles manufactured by JSC, says PPT Alabugar. DIU Defense Intelligence of Ukraine said this indicates continuity in Russia's production approach for these systems. DIU Defense Intelligence of Ukraine said exposing the new Russian-Iranian developments is intended to underline the role of foreign technologies in Russia's drone program. Terror knows no borders, and stability can only be restored to the world by depriving Russia of access to the technologies the aggressor uses to wage its criminal war, the agency said. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.